cooking with Bouka. Please subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking brown stew chicken with yam banana dumpling, pumpkin. And now we're going to show you how we marinate our chicken in Jamaican style. So normally you can cut up some seasoning to put in there. Just to start. And in the bowl already I have a little bit of oil, salt and pepper. I'm gonna cut a piece of scallion and put in there as well. Just rough cut. This is gonna like brown off, sear off with the chicken, okay? Everything is rough cut. Like that. Add in my salt and pepper, a little bit more. You gotta have flavor to it. Yeah. And this is my magic ingredients right here. As I told you before, I got thyme, garlic, onion, scallion, a little bit of oil, salt and pepper already in this mixture. A little bit of basil, a little bit of cilantro. So it's a lot of herbs to give you more flavor, so I put a dab of that in there as well too. And this get browning as well. In Jamaica, we really make our own browning. We just burn some sugar, medium flames, a little bit of water, spin it around. You get browning, okay? But I decided I'm gonna buy some browning. I'm gonna pour a little bit in here. You want it to be brown, okay? Don't pour too much because you're gonna get it black. You don't want it to be black, you want it to be brown. But because I put the green in here, I know it's not gonna be black, so I put a little bit extra in there, okay? Yep, see that? I want to make sure you get all this mixture together. You see the color of it? Brown. That's what we're looking for, okay? So now I'm going to go and add my chicken in. The whole chicken, I just break it down. We like chicken with bones in Jamaica. We don't really eat too much breast, which you have some people who like breast, but you know, we like chicken with bone in it. I leave a little fat on it, so I don't need to add a lot of oil into the pan when I'm searing it off, okay? The fat give off a lot of oil as well. And the wings, we love the wings in Jamaica, so we keep the wings, okay? And the chicken neck too, where's that? Let me show it to you. We love the chicken neck in Jamaica too, okay? Yeah, so just gonna marinate this up. Make sure it's massaging the right way you wanna massage it in, okay? Massage it in, make sure everything is massaging. Put a little bit more, you know, more flavor, better it is. You can add some pepper in here if you want, some Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add some in mine at the end, because a lot of people in this house doesn't like pepper so much, so. But I love pepper. I can eat a lot of pepper. I can eat a whole Scotch bonnet with one meal. You know, it's nice, good flavor. Hot, but you know, we can tolerate it. So you can even marinate this from overnight as well. But today I'm marinating this for 2 hours and let it sit here for 2 hours. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge after I finish with it. You can keep it outside for half an hour, but if it's more than half an hour, you need it back in the fridge, okay? You don't want the chicken to get bad and you get sick, okay? So yeah, so this is what we're gonna serve with the brown stew chicken today. We got pumpkin, bananas, and we got the Jamaican yellow yam. This is very nice. Can't really overcook that. You can cook it for an hour and it's still nice and tender and soft. Similar to like a potato light, but it's different, but it's similar. Very starchy as well. So we're gonna make some dumpling again. In Jamaica we call them Johnny cakes. I'm gonna show you similar to the same one we did before on the channel. You saw it where we add water to it and make it into a dough. Okay? Alright, so we got thyme, we got bay leaf, we got peppers. If you have more pepper, you can put more pepper in there as well. We got green onion scallion. We got carrots. We got pepper, Scotch bonnet, which normally everything Jamaican cook gets Scotch bonnet. We got onions, and we got some potato for like thickness. Cause this one we ain't gonna use no ketchup into this brown stew. It's gonna just get thick from its normal residue and cook down from the gravy or the sauce from the chicken. Okay? So we're gonna cut up a few of these and let you see what's going on, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so now this is what we're gonna boil in the pot with the dumplings. We got the yellow yam, we got the pumpkin, we got the banana. Some people peel it completely, but one of my Kingstonian friend, she just did her nails back when I used to live in Boston, and she showed me a way to do it, which is amazing. If you don't want to go ahead and peel it, you just slice the top of it like that and cook it just like that. But you know you can't do it in Jamaica. They're going to think it's a lazy way. So I'm going to show you the way that we peel one, okay? Show you an example of one. And always cut on the top, okay? Try not to cut it too deep, always on the top. You want to go in like that. Side finger. Like that. It's real easy. See that? Real easy, and these little stuff on it, you want to take them off. And the reason why I put them in water, so it doesn't oxidize, okay? Change color. That's the reason why I put them in water. And every excess little of this stuff, you can just take it off like that, okay? Just like that. Put it in the water. This one we're going to do it like that. Okay? So for the yam as well, it gets oxidized really easily, okay? I'm going to show you the way I peel it. A lot of people peel it different from the way I peel it, okay? Normally you do it like this in Jamaica. Your mother said don't waste the yam. But you know, I know what I'm doing and I got skills. So I just go around it and peel it like that. And then after, anything leave over, I just clean it up. Just like that. Like I'm peeling a watermelon. See? Real easy. There's a lot of tricks to the trade, you know. And I haven't get a lot of it. It's still thin. You can notice that. So I'm not really wasting it. Okay. See that? Voila, this little piece. Pinch him out. That's it. So normally in Jamaica they slice them around, but I can slice mine whichever way I choose to slice it, okay? So I'm gonna slice that like that, and then now I'm gonna slice this two piece like that, okay? Put them in the water because you don't want them to oxidize. It's good. Just put them in the water so they don't oxidize. And for the pumpkin, I'm cooking the pumpkin in the skin again, okay? You can cook it without the skin, but you're gonna need like a real good time on it, because if you cook it without the skin in the water, it's gonna like dissolve into the water without the skin because it's so soft. So I cut it like that. Everybody can get a nice piece. This doesn't oxidize in the water, but we still put it in the water. It's just habit. Okay. Put that in two. That in the water as well. Put that in two. And the pumpkin gonna go last in the water, okay? Banana and yam can go together if they're in the skin, yes. But if not in the skin, banana first, no. Yam first, banana, then pumpkin, okay? Into the water, the boiling water on the stove. So alright, so in this pot right here, I got the straight water and salt. And I'm making some dumpling right here. Otherwise known as Johnny cake. Yeah, just like that. I'm gonna show you to roll another one. So after we knead the flour with the water, the salt, and I like to cook whole wheat flour all the time. More rough edge, you know, to go in there. So it's kind of the same process like you're watching another video, you see what it is. I bring it over so you can see it. So I pinch a piece off the dough. Try to roll it with a finger like that. So stay in there. Meanwhile, the roll, you gotta press into it too. Make it round like that. Smash it down. That's it. Some people make a perfect, nice looking dumpling. But for me, I don't worry about that too much. Because the same thing gonna happen when it's cooked. It's gonna be eaten, so you're gonna cut it up. That's a perfect one right there. So now we put in the yam and the banana with the skin, okay? I'm gonna wait to put this one in there, okay? So this is the one with the skin on it. You can get away with the skin in America, but you can't get away with the skin in Jamaica, okay? Don't forget that part of it. So I'm gonna let that cook for like 5 minutes. And food, you gotta put it in the boiling water, okay? If it's not boiling, do not put the food in there. Change color as well. Alright. Dumpling look good. We're gonna start sear off the chicken for the brown stew. The pot is real hot. We have some grapeseed oil in here. Cook at a better temperature. So we're doing some grapeseed oil. Meanwhile, the food is cooking on the other stove over there. We're gonna add our chicken, okay? So you wanna hear the sear. Yeah, so you know the pot is hot, okay? And try not to burn yourself while you do it. Alright? Get everything in there. All of that. You want all of that in there. You want to keep stirring it to make sure, you know, everything is reach on the side. And don't forget, because we didn't take all the skin off, it's gonna give off a little bit of oil in the pot, so try not to put too much oil. Okay. Yep, see, start getting that caramel already. Okay. So now we're gonna put the rest of the stuff in. The other banana we talked about, and the rest of the pumpkin. The pumpkin, it's just like you're gonna steam them on top. You don't want them to cook too much, because if you cook too much, you're gonna lose them, okay? So I try not to sink them down in the water too much. And I put the skin side down, okay? Yeah, skin side down. Alright, so that's what's going on over here. I put a little cover on it so it can steam down. In 5 minutes, it's gonna be ready. And you want to put the cover sideways. You don't want to cover it completely, because if you cover it completely, it's going to boil over, okay? So just sideways like that. You know, a little bit so the steam can release out of it. So over here we're doing the brown stew. Got it on high flame. Make sure the meat is kind of sear off a bit. See, there's no water in there. It's just the oil from the pot and a little bit of grapeseed oil that I put in here. Around. Yep. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the stuff to it. The bay leaf, the peppers, the onion, the carrots, the escallion, and the thyme. And for sure, you know we gotta have that habanero pepper in here. Scotch bonnet. Dump this in there. We're gonna sweat this off with this for 5 minutes. And then we're just gonna add water and let it cook down in its own sauce. Stir this up a little bit. Looking for, try to get some of the veg on the bottom so it can sear off, you know? Smells good. So yeah, so now it's ready for you to put the water in. We're just gonna add straight waters to this, because we're not gonna add any ketchup or anything. Some people, when they put their vegetable, they add the water in there, but I like to sweat off my vegetable to extract some more flavor from the vegetables into the food, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna put the water in now. Water in. You're gonna need a good amount of water, because you need to cook it down for like 20 minutes, medium flames. So that's the right amount of water right there. So you're gonna keep on stirring it every 3-4 minutes, okay? Yeah. All right, so after 20-25 minutes, you know, medium to low flames. What we got here, see that? Look nice, huh? So now we're gonna put the thickening agent in there, which is the potato, okay? So that's the potato right there. We're gonna cook this with the potato for the next 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it's ready to go. All right? We're gonna cook that for 10 minutes. So this is what we're looking for. You know, potato, well cooked, you know, but not mashed out. You know, sauce a little bit thicker than before. Yeah, it's nice. So we're gonna plate it up now and show you a presentation of the plate, okay? All right, so this is the final touch now. Plate is ready. I just garnish with a little bit of chopped scallion. Normally we don't garnish it in Jamaica, we just go ahead and eat right away. So we got the yam right here, we got the pumpkin, we got the banana, we got the dumplings, and a lot of gravy on it, or a lot of sauce for, you know, those who are over here. Look good. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe, share, leave a comment, check the links, and if anything that you like for us to cook, please leave it in the comment. Thank you.